Ravi gifted a beautiful necklace to Sheila. Now, Sheila was very happy because the necklace was indeed very beautiful. But one day, while playing, two of the beads broke, and Sheila was very sad that day. She thought that now this necklace is of no use. But Ravi gave her a box of beads and said, just replace the required beads and you will have the necklace again. So, this is the necklace and two of the beads are missing. Now, Sheila thought, let me place some beads here. So, she placed two beads like this. Now, after placing these beads, she realized that the necklace does not look the same anymore. So, she replaced these with these red beads. But she realized even now the necklace doesn't look the same. So she tried to identify the pattern in this. So this is showing a definite pattern. So we have a red bead, then a blue bead, a red, then a blue, a red, then a blue, and so on. Now you will notice that none of the colors are repeating individually. That is, it's not that the red bead is repeating again and again. We have a red, the next one is not a red, it's a blue one. Then we have a red again, then a blue. So is red repeating? Not really. Is the blue bead repeating? Not really. After blue we have a red, then we have a blue. So what exactly is repeating in this pattern? Well, you will see that pair of red and blue beads is repeating. So we have this one pair, again repeating, second pair, again repeating, third pair, fourth pair, and so on. So what exactly is repeating here? Well, pair of red and blue beads is repeating again and again. So we can say that this is a unit that is repeating again and again. So if you need to fill this gap, you need to fill it according to the pair that repeats again and again. So we have this pair which is repeating again and again. So this is another pair, and after this we need to have another pair of red and blue exactly like this, isn't it? Because after this gap again we have a pair of red and blue repeating. So we need to place exactly the unit that is repeating here, that is the pair of red and blue. So we need to have pair of red and blue, and now this is in a pattern, isn't it? So now Sheila was able to fix her necklace because she identified the unit which is repeating again and again. And not only in this case, in every case of a pattern you will have a unit that is repeating again and again. So when we talk about patterns, every pattern has a unit that is called a unit of repeat. In this case, what is the unit of repeat? Well, red and blue together make up a pair, and this pair is repeating again and again. So what is unit of repeat? Specific set that repeats itself is called a unit of repeat. So red and blue, that is the pair of red and blue, is a specific set that repeats again and again. So that is how you identify unit of repeat in a pattern. So what exactly is a unit of repeat? Well, a set of objects, colors or designs in a pattern that repeats itself is called the unit of repeat of the pattern. So any set of objects, colors or designs that repeats itself in a pattern is called unit of repeat of that pattern. So now you know what exactly is unit of repeat. So can you identify the unit of repeat in this case? Is it the blue sock? Is it repeating again and again? Not really. After blue you have an orange sock. Now is orange repeating again and again? Not really. After orange you have a blue sock. So what exactly is repeating in this pattern? Well, the pair of blue and orange is repeating again and again. So if you consider this as one block, then this block or unit is repeating again and again. So this repeats here, repeats here. So what exactly is the unit of repeat in this case? Well, a pair of blue and orange sock makes unit of repeat of this particular pattern. Now you know how to identify unit of repeat in a pattern. So can you identify the unit of repeat in this case? Is it blue? Is it orange? Or is it blue orange? What exactly do you think is the unit of repeat in this case? Well, let's see. Well, if I see, I have a blue, then an orange, a blue, then an orange, a blue, then an orange, a blue, then an orange. So can I say that this entire unit is repeating again? Definitely it is. So I have two pairs of blue and orange repeating again. So is this the unit of repeat? Not really. Although you can say that this particular block is repeating itself, it's not the smallest block. So unit of repeat is always the smallest block which is repeating again and again. So can we break this into smaller blocks? Can we break this into single toffees? Not really, because we have one blue, but blue is not repeating. We have an orange, then blue, then an orange. So what can we take? If we take this pair, blue and orange, it is repeating again, blue and orange, it is repeating again, blue and orange, it is repeating again, blue and orange. So this will be the unit of repeat in this case. So you may say that a larger unit is also repeating itself, but we always consider the smallest repeating unit as the unit of repeat. In this case, it is this unit. So this unit is repeating again and again, and that's why this is the answer, the pair of blue and orange toffees. Now, can you tell me, how can you complete this pattern? I have this particular pattern here. So I have a green car, then I have a yellow car, a green, a yellow, then two of these are not given, then again I have a green and yellow car. So what will be in the position 5 and 6? What do you think? Well, if you see here, first of all, we need to identify the unit of repeat. Is it green? Not really. Is it yellow? Not really. Then is it green, yellow, green, yellow? You may say so, but it won't be correct because unit has to be smallest. Even this particular block can be broken into smaller units. So I have this pair and this pair that is repeating. So this is the smallest unit, and this pair is one green car and one yellow car, and we see that this pair is repeating again and again. So here we'll have this particular pair. So I will have this car here, and then I'll have this car here. And so this is a pattern. So this is the pattern which we have achieved because we were able to identify the unit of repeat. So unit of repeat is a very important concept which you need to know if you want to identify any pattern. So what exactly is a unit of repeat? Well, a set of objects, colors or designs in a pattern that repeats itself is called the unit of repeat of the pattern. So in this case, this particular unit is the unit of repeat because it is repeating itself again and again. So this is what we call a unit of repeat, and only when you can identify unit of repeat, you can complete or extend a pattern.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.